Hi everyone, I am your law teacher and today you are going to watch how to read a case citation. Every law student refer to various judgments every now and then. Some are Indian judgments and some are of other legal system. But how to read a legal citation? Knowing how to read and write case citations is an imperative skill for everyone studying law. This video help you with understanding of the basic elements. The complexity may be varied, but this level of understanding is adequate for most of us. Case citation is citing references used by legal professionals. It helps them to understand the decisions of the case. It gives information like the date of the case and the other informations related to the case. It's important that citations follow a standard format so that whoever is trying to read them will find it easy to understand. Citations also help lawyers and students to easily look up case files and documents they are searching in a pile of other documents. Knowing and understanding case citation is a very important skill for anyone who is studying, researching or involved with legal matters. These features help the reader to understand the aspects and information about the case and moreover get basic information at a glance. This diagram given will help you to figure out how to read and interpret the basics of a case citation. Here is a case called S.R. Bommai vs. Union of India, which was decided in the year 1994. It can be found on volume 2 of Supreme Court Reporter, starting on page number 644. So we got all that information about a case out of just one line of citation. That's how effective case citations are. Features of case citation: case name, volume number, name of reporter, beginning page and year of decision. Case name: generally there are two names given for a case. This is to explain the parties involved. The first name is meant to identify the party which is bringing the court action, and the name placed second is the name of the party against whom the action is being brought. In almost all criminal law cases, the action is usually brought by the state against a person. The defendant will, however, not always remain the same. Year of decision. The year in which the court delivers the decision is thus called the year of decision. It is not necessary that the year of the decision will be the same as the year when the case was originally presented. Name of reporter. The law reports in India are published in various ways. They differ in respect of their frequency and numbering of issues. For example, some are published weekly and fortnightly, some even monthly and half-yearly. Some reports are published in a single volume and some cover a number of volumes in a year. Generally, AIR, SCC, SCR are used to refer cases, but there are more. See, when you are learning law of torts, there you can see important cases like Donak vs. Stevenson, 1932, UK HL 100, Rylance vs. Fletcher, 1868, UK HL 1. Here UK HL means what? UK HL means United Kingdom House of Lords. Just like AIR, All India Reporter, which is published from 1914 onwards, and it is a publication of AIR Limited Nagpur. It is a monthly journal. SCC, Supreme Court Cases, is a fortnight publication of Eastern Book Company from Lucknow, publishing since 1969. And SCR, Supreme Court Reports, is the official reporter of the Supreme Court judgments. See, sometimes for a particular case, there we can see more than one citations. These are called equivalent citations or parallel citations. And by this, today's class came to an end. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you.